Right, we're back again. I had problems with my 3D mouse, but now they appear to have been cured by a basic IT reboot. So here we are, it's all working again. But all I've got to do is put a lug on the back here. There's the little round boss that's sticking up. So we click the face we want the boss to protrude from. But actually what I'm going to do is a separate part so that I can print that face down as one part and then print the boss as a separate part and then glue the boss into the hole that's on here. I think that'll be the easiest and quickest way to print. So I will do a revolve. So what we need to do is a sketch on through there, and we haven't got a plane through there, so we need to create a plane. I want a plane running through from there to there, perpendicular to that line. So if I create the line first as a sketch, from there to there, finish, that is the line that I need my plane to go through. So we'll have a plane at an angle. I think there's a easier way. No, let's go plane at angle and select the line, which is that one, and then you can see our plane has appeared going through that line. I need that at 90 degrees. And it just snaps to 90. There you go. Click OK. Let's move that over there. Click OK. Then I can click that plane and create a sketch. And that sketch is going to consist of one rectangle. So this is the hole, and this is the boss. So I know the boss is 5mm diameter, so that wants to be half of that, and it's 3mm protrusion, so we can make it 6. So we've got 3mm in the part and 3mm out of the part. I hope you're understanding that, following that. So let's make that 3. So we've now got 3mm inside the part and 3mm outside the part. Let's make that look a bit neater. You can see. Right, I now need to measure the part and know where that is. Which isn't easy because it's a bit mashed up. Let's call it 4. So from there to there is 4mm. Right, so that is where I want our lug to be. So as you can see, it's just a rectangle, but I want it to be a diameter. So we do a revolve. So I want that sketch selected around an axis, which is this one. And there we go. But I think I'll do a new body. Click OK. So we now have this body and this body, the parent body. So let's turn that sketch off. I now can use this body that I've just created to cut a hole in this and still keep that. So we use a combine. The target body would be this. The tool body, what we're going to use to cut it, will be this. and we need to cut, and we need to keep the tools. Okay, we click OK. So if we turn our body off, we've got a hole. There we go. That is the part done. So all I need to do now is set that up on the printer, do a test part and see how it comes out, see how it matches up to the mess I've been given. Right.